My name is Ronald Kavoye, Coordinator Human Nature in Uganda. I am happy we are sharing today about our efforts that we are doing in ecosystem restoration, and we have various activities including tree planting, seed collection, training and education of the community, wildlife conservation, that is the chimpanzees and the other birds and other nature within the ecosystem. We are doing a lot of other things, but our aim is to make sure we combat climate change and we have regenerative agriculture going on within the community. We do inclusive community participation, and we are calling upon the volunteers, the supporters, the donors, and the people who can really support us in this endeavor to go ahead with us so that we reach our goal. I am so grateful and I thank you so much so that we do together this.